Welcome to YCfee channel. Today, we will explore the deer farming industry in the United States. Have you ever heard of modern and humane deer farms? This industry not only provides high-value products such as venison and deer antlers, but also brings unique cultural and tourism value. Let's delve into the deer farming process together, from selecting breeds, caring for them, to inspiring success stories. You'll be surprised by the strong growth potential and benefits of this industry. Deer, with their graceful and majestic appearance, are prominent wild animals in the natural world. They belong to the Cervidae family and are found in various regions worldwide, from temperate forests to vast grasslands. Deer are known for their slender bodies, long legs, and smooth fur. Particularly, the antlers of male deer, with their unique branching, serve not only as tools in territorial disputes and courtship, but also as symbols of strength and elegance. Deer are not only beautiful in appearance, but also play an important role in ecosystems. They contribute to seed dispersal, maintain biodiversity, and clean up the natural environment. Deer are also a rich cultural symbol in many cultures, often appearing in myths, art, and literature. The deer farming industry in the United States has experienced significant growth in recent decades, bringing considerable economic and cultural benefits. This development not only meets the increasing demand for deer products such as venison, deer antlers, and other byproducts, but also significantly contributes to diversifying local agriculture and economy. Venison is highly valued for its nutritional value, being rich in protein, low in fat and cholesterol, fitting into the trend of healthy food consumption. Deer antlers, with their many uses in traditional medicine, are considered valuable products with high market value. The production and trade of these products have created numerous employment opportunities and stable incomes for people, especially in rural areas. In addition to economic potential, deer farming also brings cultural and tourism value. Many deer farms open their doors to visitors, educating the public about deer species and sustainable farming methods. Events and festivals related to deer also attract many tourists, contributing to the development and promotion of local tourism. In summary, deer are not only wild animals with graceful and majestic beauty, but also an important part of the economy and culture in the United States. The deer farming industry, with its strong development, has brought significant benefits, contributing to the prosperity and richness of social life. One of the most common misconceptions is that deer farming requires a lot of effort and involves many dangers. In reality, like any other farming job, deer farming requires diligence and patience, but is not overly difficult or dangerous. Modern deer farms are often equipped with advanced equipment and technology to reduce manual labor and ensure the safety of farmers. Moreover, deer are relatively gentle animals and pose little danger when properly cared for. Many people believe that deer are wild animals, difficult to tame and care for. However, the reality is that deer can be successfully raised and cared for in a farm environment. With proper knowledge of deer ecology and behavior, caring for them becomes much easier. Deer require a spacious living environment, proper diet, and regular health care. Many deer farms have succeeded in taming and raising deer, achieving high and stable productivity. Some people believe that the deer farming industry has no development potential due to limited market and low demand. In fact, the demand for deer products such as venison, deer antlers, and deer hides is increasing. Venison is popular due to its high nutritional value, while deer antlers are widely used in traditional medicine. Additionally, the growing interest in organic and sustainable products also creates favorable conditions for the development of the deer farming industry. To dispel these misconceptions, an effective solution is to explore the reality of the deer farming industry in the United States. Modern deer farms in the United States not only focus on raising and caring for deer, but also open their doors to visitors, helping the public gain a more realistic and accurate view of the industry. Through tour and educational programs, people can learn more about the deer farming process, from building pens, caring for deer, to harvesting deer products. Furthermore, workshops and conferences are also good opportunities for farmers and interested individuals to exchange experiences, update knowledge, and technology in the deer farming industry. Deer farming organizations and associations in the United States also play an important role in supporting and promoting the industry's development, providing useful information and documents, as well as connecting farmers with the consumer market. In conclusion, exploring the reality and obtaining accurate information will help eliminate common misconceptions about the deer farming industry, while affirming its strong development potential in the United States. Welcome to the modern, large-scale deer farm in the United States, where we will explore the scientific, modern, and humane deer farming process. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and learn the secrets behind the success of deer farming. Step 1. Selecting suitable deer breeds. The first and most important step in the deer farming process is selecting suitable deer breeds. Deer farms in the United States typically choose deer breeds with good growth potential, high disease resistance, and superior product quality. Common deer breeds include red deer, elk, and white-tailed deer. The breed selection process is conducted meticulously, from health checks, origins to the reproductive ability of each deer. Step 2. Preparation of pens and ideal living environment. The living environment plays a crucial role in ensuring the health and development of deer. Farms are designed with spacious, airy areas, abundant greenery, and clean water sources. Pens are built sturdy, ensuring safety and comfort for deer. In addition, ventilation and temperature control systems are installed to maintain a stable living environment suitable for each season of the year. Step 3. Nutrition and healthcare for deer. Nutrition is a key factor in ensuring deer grow healthy and produce high-quality products. Deer are fed with fresh grass, grains, and nutritious foods. Farms also provide essential minerals and vitamins to enhance deer immunity. Regular health checks and vaccinations are mandatory to prevent diseases and ensure deer are always in the best condition. Step 4. Harvesting deer antlers and deer products. The process of harvesting deer antlers and deer products is carried out humanely and scientifically. When it comes time to harvest antlers, deer are carefully cut to avoid pain or harm to the deer. In addition to deer antlers, deer meat and deer hides are also harvested and processed according to strict hygiene standards, ensuring the highest quality output. In this exploration journey, we will meet and hear inspiring stories from successful deer farmers in the United States. Mr. John, a seasoned deer farmer, shares that his love and passion for deer have helped him overcome many initial challenges to build a modern and sustainable deer farm. Mrs. Mary, a brave woman who moved from the city to the countryside, utilizes scientific knowledge to develop an organic deer farming model, providing stable income and joy in daily work. These stories not only inspire, but also demonstrate that with the right knowledge and passion, the deer farming industry in the United States can offer many opportunities and brilliant successes. We hope this tour has helped you gain a better understanding of the deer farming process in the United States and the potential that this industry brings. Thank you for accompanying us on this fascinating journey. Deer, wild animals belonging to the Cervidae family, stand out with their graceful beauty, slender bodies, long legs, and unique antlers. They play an important role in ecosystems by dispersing seeds and maintaining biodiversity. The deer farming industry in the United States has experienced strong growth, bringing many economic and cultural benefits, with deer products such as venison and deer antlers being highly nutritious and valuable in medicine. Misconceptions about the laborious nature of the work, the difficulty of taming deer, and limited development potential have been explained and debunked. Modern deer farming processes, from breed selection, pen preparation, nutrition care to humane deer harvesting, ensure high-quality products and protect animal rights. Success stories of farmers like Mr. John and Mrs. Mary attest to the great potential of this industry. If you found this video interesting and useful, please leave a comment, like, and share to help more people learn about ethical deer farming and its development potential. Let's join hands to explore and support sustainable values in agriculture.